Vitamin C versus retinol, which one truly wins in the anti-aging game? If you are looking for glowing skin, fewer wrinkles and even skin tone, you've probably asked this question. And today we are putting these two powerhouses head to head, using science-backed studies, not hype, to help you decide what your skin truly needs. Let's begin with vitamin C and understand what does it do for your skin. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid is a potent antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, brightens the skin and boosts collagen. In fact, a study published in Dermatologic Surgery Journal provides relevant findings. In this double-blind, half-face study, participants applied a vitamin C formulation to one side of the face and a placebo, plain cream, to the other over a 12-week period. The results demonstrated statistically significant improvements in photoaging scores, including decreased wrinkling and increased collagen production on the vitamin C treated side. Vitamin C is also great at fading dark spots. Another open access study in the Indian Dermatology Online Journal confirmed its effectiveness in reducing melanin synthesis, making it ideal for pigmentation and dull skin. So overall, holistically, vitamin C is best for brightening, uneven skin tone, mild collagen support, and sun protection when layered under sunscreen. So that was vitamin C. Let's understand retinol. Retinol is a form of vitamin A, is known to be the gold standard anti-aging ingredient in dermatology for a reason. A study published in JAMA Dermatology in 2007. In this research, older adults used a cream with 0.4% retinol, a form of vitamin A, on their skin 3 times a week for 6 months. Compared to the side of the skin treated with a plain cream or a placebo, the retinol-treated skin showed visible improvements. Fine lines got smoother and the skin texture looked healthier. Scientists also saw an increase in proteins that help keep skin firm and youthful. Another 2009 study from the Journal of Dermatological Treatment involved 30 women applying a retinol-based lotion to just one side of their face for 8 weeks. The side with retinol looked noticeably better with shorter and fewer wrinkles, and the product didn't cause major irritation. Some studies also indicates retinol thickens the dermis over time, countering age-related thinning of the skin. Unlike vitamin C, which protects existing collagen, retinol actively stimulates new collagen production. So again, overall, holistically, retinol is best for wrinkles and fine lines, rough texture, acne-prone or mature skin. Important note, however, retinol can cause irritation or purging in the first few weeks, so start slow. Now, addressing a question you might have in your mind. Can you use vitamin C and retinol together at one time? The short answer is yes, but with the right routine. A 2023 clinical study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology followed women aged 35 to 65 using a vitamin C serum in the morning and a retinol bakuchiol serum at night. After 12 weeks, their skin looked noticeably brighter, smoother, and more even-toned. Collagen levels went up, and there was very little irritation, meaning most people tolerated this routine well. If you look at a more recent study published in 2024 in the Journal of American Academy of Dermatology, tested a dual serum that combines both vitamin C and retinol in one formula. It worked well, improving skin firmness, hydration, and glow while being gentle enough for most skin types. Vitamin C and retinol can be a powerful pair when used correctly. If you're new to these ingredients, start slowly. Use vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night to avoid irritation and help your skin adjust. A lot of you might have this question, which one should you choose between the two if you're just starting? So here is the showdown breakdown. Choose vitamin C if you are new to active, you want to brighten and protect, you have sensitive skin. And go for retinol if you want serious wrinkle reduction, you can tolerate some irritation, you are targeting texture and fine lines. So vitamin C or retinol, which one is your pick? Or are you using both in your routine? Drop your skincare story in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more skincare deep dives. Let me know if there are more skincare combinations you're thinking about but not really sure. And that is all for today's video. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.